Game 3 against Bottom Birds. It's rather windy. And there's a pull by Rob. Sexy motherfucker right here.
Enjoy the view. Game plan. Kidding. Alright, what we got?
Alrighty. Just camera down a little bit.
About to get a stop soon, hopefully.
Hold up, we're adjusting the cam. There we go. Now it's leveled.
Danny, you got me hot. Danny. Good shit. Good shit.
And 1-0 Bottom Birds. Hole coming in.
Good pull. It's windy. Keep it down. Light work, Lighthouse, come on.
Disc coming in, 1-1.
Good ball, Roberto. Let's see if a couple get down there if they're gonna. Okay, yep, we're down there. Let's go. Get that off, cut that off. Keys left! Come on. Keys left! Crash! Dragon!
Good D, Rob.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
He's gonna overshoot it. Oh! Let's fucking go! Come on, don't sell, please don't.
Wow.
Oh.
Still not in.
There we go.
And Matt to Danny for the end. Right. 2-1.
2-1.
Yep,
Yeah.
2-1. Pull from Danny is in. Stick to Rob.
Yo, if they see the letters no, then Doyle's gonna be hit. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, Doyle.
I think they're just going to the trash though. Doyle's scared. I know he's quaking in his boots.
Oh, Doyle. Oh, they're observing.
Doyle just gets a tap on the shoulder and be like, sir, you should.
Oh, what did I miss? I made that so much worse than it had to be. Operating the cams though would be so much more better. That's not a grammatically correct sentence. Ready? Wyatt POV.
Imagine.
Alright, no more Wyatt POV.
Good pass. Good pass.
Oh, Rob.
Rob was almost traveling. Get, oh. I ain't gonna lie. our team has really teed up.
Oh.
Like we definitely have.
Oh yeah, Rob. 3-1 Lighthouse.
That's what I'm talking about, Lighthouse. We're working as a team. I like this shit.
3-1. I'm coming in with the ball. Oh, go right. Oh, good pull. Good pull. Good. Cup got down there. Time to zoom in a little bit. Good snag by them. Oh. Oh my god, I just ripped ass.
Boy, I just scared him. Let's go, boys! Hey, Matt. Oh, that was
You had
Matt!
Oh, why? Oh, oh. Oh no.
Let's go, boys.
Back on D.
Go right.
Yep. Dragon, maybe. Dragon.
Right, Keys.
There we go.
Matt, that's all you. Keys, you're hot. Rob, you're hot.
Cut off by Matt. And that's too far.
Let's go, boys!
Rob to pick up. I wonder if Rob watches all of this.
Yeah.
Oh. Points about to go on 3 minutes. Let's go.
Here you go. Thank you.
Stay strong.
That was my WD for the day. I'm done.
Oh, just go up line. He gave too much space.
Get that swing. Oh, there we go. There you look.
Great cut by Keys.
He could do it over the head to Ryan. Nope, not anymore. Good swing! There we go. I like this. There we go!
Come on, Wyatt. Oh, I jumped. It's gonna be like the one and only time he jumps.
Matt is cooking. He's doing his thing out there. Gotta give a brother his props.
Dragon possibly soon. One more forward and that's fire.
Dragon!
There we go.
Distractions. Dragon! Fire! You're scared. I feel like somebody's dead.
Oh. Windy, windy, windy. Stay careful.
Space out!
Think mushroom
Swing.
drill, children.
There we go. There we go. Oh, there we go. Oh.
You had Danny in one of those. Hooray! 4-1 Lighthouse. Rob coming with the ball. Some may say he pulls on and off the field.
Yes, he should. Drops a beautiful nine.
Yep.
There we
And
go!
Ortho, good D McKenzie. Good job being there.
Get that, McKenzie!
Keep running. It was gettable.
Yeah.
What a good Samaritan getting the disc for that. Oh. Never mind. Brody, get into position first.
He said, I want to be ready. Fuck you.
Oh, that never came back in? Is that what they're saying? I thought it came in. Oh, Mikey. Oh.
You gotta read that better.
Oh, bad cams, bad cams. Where's the disc? There it is. Oh. Good DeSandro. He's there. Made the presence. Wyatt POV. I think this is where he sees.
Probably a little lower. Right there. Shut up, Wyatt.
Making it a little wider.
Come on, boys. What are we doing? We're giving up. That's what we're doing.
4-2.
Look at these lovely individuals we have on the line. Starting from left to right, we have Matt. We have Sandra. We have Andrew. We have Keith. We have Ryan. We have Danny. And we have Rob. Let me zoom in. How do I zoom in? Ooh, yes. Post coming down. Nope. That just comes right at me. That's a point. Goodbye. Walking like soldiers of defeat. They're tired, all of them. But it's okay. We've won 2 games and we're gonna win a 3rd. Matt looks like he wants to take off his shirt. He's starting. 4-3.
You guys?
Yeah. Colors no. Good job. I lost it. Oh, it's over there. I don't know what happened.
Don't touch it.
We seem to not have the disc anymore. You got me? Oh. Debatably in, but it's okay. Kidding. Yes,
Nice.
sir. Let's go, boys. Get down.
Oh, I don't know what thing it was.
Look at that disc. Look at that disc. What are we giving up? Come on. Alright, guys.
Yo, let's lock in, boys!
Sorry, camera. I don't know what we're doing. We're being lazy.
Nice!
Let's see if we can capitalize now. I'm gonna back you up a little bit so you can see it all.
That keys.
Say hi. How's it going? Oh, he caught it. Good catch. Alright, so we are 2 minutes and 45 seconds into this point. Give or take 20 seconds. I started recording a little earlier.
Let's tee up Lighthouse. Oh.
Get that. Oh.
Sorry, I didn't mean to laugh at my team.
Alright.
Get the cinematics. Ooh. Zoom. 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 Oh, that was a snag.
To be honest, I did not see that guy. Thought he was going to nowhere.
Zoom. What the?
What? No,
Yo!
that was inbounds? Holy shit.
That's crazy. Bye. Not okay. Let's go, Mikey! Little white chocolate. Yeah.
Mikey P on the ground.
Yes! Oh, shit. Hell yeah!
Sad point.
Oh,
What the hell?
not a puller.
Pass off, what are we doing? Good. Yo, Ryan is a beast. Y'all know that?
Oh, hell yeah, he is.
Everybody Ryan's a beast. Gotta give the man his props when it's needed. Ryan is a beast.
Can't just not acknowledge the man.
Swing it, swing it, swing it, swing it. There we go.
He has swung it.
Down the middle. Boom. Come on, read it like a book. Right there. Nope. Nope. Wait. Swing it. What is it called? Whatever. Oh.
Pretty little thing. It's 6-4 Hartford.
Travel. Travel. Holy 7,000 steps. Sorry, I don't want to. Good catch.
It's good commentary.
Somebody could have been there, but they're not.
Here we go.
I took a Louisville slug in a boat that lights. Maybe next time we'll think before he shoots. You should call out, sir. Never really call outs. They're just the sounds of what the words could sound like, you know? He goes, ah! And he means crash.
They technically are
He goes,
called.
ah, la, 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 and he means sidelines. I'm gonna translate for you.
Okay.
Oh, that's a drop. Sorry. Yeah, put it down. Don't be sad though. It's okay. You got this.
It's okay. You're doing great. Trust me.
Let's not drop it that easy. Okay, hell no. Are they stopping us right now? Hell no.
Of course not.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat my words.
No one can stop us but ourselves.
Yep, just like that.
Yeah.
I think he was on the line though, but you know.
Well, the line is out, I guess. According to Ryan.
Nope. Womp womp. Sorry. I mean, good try. Woo!
Unless we're gonna.
We like to tire ourselves out by doing stupid stuff. I don't think we realize if we take our time just a little bit and do smart passes, we won't be tired. Oh,
That's too
let's
smart.
just throw it deep and have to run to opposite sides of the field.
Hell
Or
yeah.
let's take our time.
Running is fun.
Y'all wanted me on a cam, so I'm gonna talk.
Yeah.
It is what it is.
And I'm perfectly fine with that. The commentary is welcome.
Let's see.
Because I am a shit
That guy right
commentator.
there's gonna get to this. Told you. Come on, like I see it. What are you doing? He just might be the one to score if somebody were to score on this machine. Oh. Definitely getting this game. Woo! I lied. Don't ever doubt your team. Yo, Matt is looking. Oh, you weren't here last year, but like he said, like he played the same way. Here we go.
Here we go.
Ball is coming in. Let's see it. Oh, that's going. Oh, yep, that's out of bounds. Great starting position. Joe is in. Hello, Joe. Joe Mama. Meow. Meow. Meow.
What are they screaming about?
It's something funny.
It's because Rob forgot to go to the middle.
Who knows?
Baby oil?
Yeah.
Nice.
That would be 8-5 Lighthouse.
Lighthouse is rolling.
Let's go, Lighthouse!
The Lighthouse.
It's not that people don't like us. It's people want to sponsor something where only a few will see. That's inbounds. Where's the camera looking? Oh, you're looking right at Rob Sexy. Oh,
that was
I don't know what they're gonna say.
That looked up to me.
It's an on-field call. They're gonna call it in. Yeah, good grab. Turned.
Why are we going deep?
Oh!
Oh my god, never mind. Go deep every time. Shit. How do you turn that?
I'm trying to find it. There we go. There we go. It's centered now. Pull is in 9-5. Lighthouse coming on a lead. They're just gonna play it.
Nice. Up to Wyatt, and he's not in.
Wyatt,
He isn't.
hit it! Hit it, Wyatt!
Yeah, that was
Wyatt, hit it! No, I'm zoomed in. Oh.
Keelan is pulling. Let's see how this goes. It's a roller. It went pretty well. It's a turn. Fire is called as the ball goes coming in. It's got it downfield. by Matt. That is not good. Is he okay? He's all good. That's what we like to see. Incoming. Dropped. Here we go. Sean's pulling. This is gonna be good. Mikey P pulling 12-6. One more point for us, and it's over. It's a nice catch. Pull coming in. 12-7. I'm a bit scared seeing Doyle on the field. Andrew! Look at him! Beauty.
And that's day 2. 3 for 3, baby. Yes, sir. That's Lighthouse, baby. Woo! Yo, boys, how we feeling? 3 for 3. Hey! How we feeling, boys? 3 for 3. 3 for 3. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
David, if you're watching this, we got 3-0 today because you weren't here to overthrow everybody.
Yes, sir. Nom. And the designated drunk. Yeah, finish. Down it. Yeah, get it down. Yeah, get it down. Yeah, go. Come on, I heard that slurp. He's weak. Goddamn. He's no good. No good. All right, peace. Yo, sir. Hey, yo. Pound it. Pound it. Noggin. Do it. Pound it.
Noggin.
See ya.